This is the first of two videos covering the features on the Matching tab in Scheme Settings. Once you've completed the settings on the Basic tab, you can move on to the Matching tab. This is where you can set some parameters for the way in which matching scores are calculated, and where you can decide on your process flow for creating and setting up partnerships. The first section deals with the calculation of matching scores for each potential partnership and allows you to change the weightings applied to mentee and mentor preferences in the calculation. When you create your sign-up form, covered in a later video in this series, you can ask applicants to state preferences about their mentoring partner. When Sumac calculates the matching score for each potential partnership, it works out how well the mentor matches the mentee's preferences and how well the mentee matches the mentor's preferences. Some mentors, for example, may have a preference for working with people in a particular profession or at a particular career stage. In this section, you can change the weighting applied to the mentee preferences and the mentor preferences when the overall matching score is calculated. The default is that the mentee's preferences contribute 75% of the overall score and the mentor's preferences contribute 25%. So the preferences of the mentee have more influence over the final matching score. Using the sliders, you can change these weightings. You can move the weighting assigned to the mentee preferences all the way up to 100%, so the mentor preferences are completely ignored. Or you can increase the weighting assigned to the mentor's preferences, but the maximum weighting that can be given is 50%, so they will never be more important than the mentee's preferences. When you create your sign-up form, you can include admin-only fields. These are seen and can be edited by admin users, but do not display on the Scheme sign-up form. You have the option to include or exclude these fields from the calculation of partnership matching scores. In the next section, you have options to filter out or include some potential partners in the matching process, specifically people who have already been in a partnership or people who have previously been offered as a partner but declined. The next section allows you to configure your scheme for automatic matching. The first setting in this section is the date and time for auto matching. You can set auto matching to run once or on a regular basis every week or month. Next, you have an auto matching parameter setting. This allows you to set a minimum matching score threshold. Auto matching will only create partnerships where the matching score is at or above the chosen threshold. Beneath the parameter slider, you have the option to review the auto matching results before the partnerships are created. If review is selected, Sumac will notify you when auto matching is run and invite you to review the suggested partnerships in the bulk matching screen so you can make any final changes before the partnerships are created. A final option in this section is to disable the Scheme sign-up form from a chosen date, for example, just before auto matching is scheduled to run. If you disable the sign-up form using this option, you'll need to select Allow Sign-up on the Basic Settings tab to make the sign-up form available again. The last section on the Matching tab offers options to program your own process flow for matching, so that the whole process or just parts of it can be automated. Matching flow is covered in the next video in this series.